Hey, to change downloads location on the Windows 11, first of all, you will have to actually open your browser that you are using. So in my case, I'm using the Google Chrome, and we'll have to actually go into the right upper corner on the three dots. Next, we'll have to open the settings, and from here, enter for the downloads on the left side. And as you can see from here, we can find location of the downloads files. So we'll have to click right here. And also we can enable this function to ask where to save each file before downloading. So click here and now we can pick the different path. So for example, if you want to save your downloads straight into your documents or pictures, you can go right here and select any folder that you want and click select. And that's how it looks. And the different browsers, it may look a little bit different, but basically you will have to reach for the settings and locate the downloads destination. So that's all right now. Please subscribe to my channel and see you in the next one.